This TikTok account is making over 25,000 a month, posting emotional story videos with no talking, no ads, no team. And the craziest part is, it's all 100% faceless and free to start. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact system that you can copy, even if you're starting from zero, to build a faceless brand using ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut. Most YouTubers will tell you to post quotes and hope they go viral. But today, I'm giving you the full blueprint: how to pick the right story, how to use ChatGPT to write it for you, how to turn it into a high emotional video in CapCut and Canva, and how to monetize it so you can actually turn views into passive income. And if you stay to the end, I'll also show you the 3 monetization methods that could take this from 0 to 10K a month. Let's be real, people scroll past motivational quotes all day, but when they see a raw story they relate to, they stop and watch. So why do some faceless creators blow up and why do some flop? It comes down to 2 things. 1. Emotional connection, and 2. Content packaging. You're not just posting clips, you're telling a short film. You're not just uploading a quote, you're selling a feeling. When you combine story psychology with clean Canva visuals and ChatGPT scripting, it becomes a content engine that doesn't miss. So let's break it down. So I went to ChatGPT and typed, give me a 30-second emotional story about self-worth that ends with a positive message. But I wanted something that was short and relatable and deep. So I narrowed it down and picked this one. It's powerful, simple, and viral. Now I told ChatGPT, write this story as a 3-line video script with soft tone and dramatic pauses. Boom, it rewrote it with natural pacing, like a narrator would speak. Now I have my script ready. Next, head over to Canva and search woman mirror B-roll or emotional scene aesthetic. I grabbed 2 to 3 short videos, then opened CapCut and dropped in each clip on my timeline. I added the story as big bold captions using a system font and white text. Then I went online and got some royalty-free background music and added it to my timeline. Now it looks cinematic. It feels like something someone would share, save, or comment on. This is the difference. We're not making content, we're making emotion. Now it's time to post. Export the video, upload it to TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These type of story reels go viral fast because they're short, real, and raw. You're giving the viewers a mirror, not a pitch. Here's where most people mess up. They focus on views, not monetization. So here's how you make your first 1K and scale to 10K a month. Start your own 7 to 17 Canva journal or self-love workbook that fits the theme of your videos. Something like a healing journal, reflection prompts, or a daily affirmation tracker. Use a freebie lead magnet, like a mini checklist or guide, to grow your email list. Then launch a Substack account and send out 2 AI-written healing stories for $5 a month. That's recurring income, optional. Once your videos get traction, package everything into a mini course and sell the system. People will buy it just to copy your blueprint. You don't need fancy gear, you don't need to show your face. You just need Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut, and the right story. If you want help building your first digital product and getting your first sale, I made a free cheat sheet. Link will be in the description box below, so make sure to grab that. And if you got value from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I drop breakdowns like this every single day. So share and comment. I'm out though. Peace. If you thought this was crazy, wait till you see how this other account made 27,000 just from using AI and starting with 0 followers. So click that next video. I break it all down.